Hi, I'm Greg Wrangler. Green building is a very hot topic, and today we're going to tour this house. Well, really it's more than a house. It's an Environments for Living certified green home. And believe me, this is a very different approach to building green. The first thing you'll notice is that this house comes with a guarantee. Seriously, when builders follow the Environments for Living program requirements, they can actually provide a limited guarantee of comfort and heating and cooling energy use. How? Science. When you tour the house, you'll see the building science approach in action and how energy efficiency, water efficiency, and indoor environmental quality and durability work together as a system. Like here, in the home's kitchen and great room, the faucets throughout the house are all low flow. All the appliances are ENERGY STAR qualified. The patio doors and all the windows in the home are low E. The paints used throughout the house are all low VOC and tested for durability. And at least 60% of all the hardwired lights in the house are compact fluorescent or LEDs. And this is something special. These Verve Living Systems dimmers are completely wireless and batteryless. They're self-powering, programmable, and they control the lighting throughout the house. Of course, dimmers reduce watt usage, but these Verve Living Systems dimmers offer added benefits to the builder too. They can be placed anywhere, which means less wiring and less time to install. So in just these two rooms, you can see the system at work. Appliances help with the water efficiency, windows and lighting help with energy efficiency, and the paint contributes to indoor environmental quality and durability. But as you know, it's often what you don't see that can make the difference in quality and efficiency. You see that register that sort of looks like a supply register? It's not. It's a register that allows air to jump over this wall and into the great room on the other side. It's called pressure balancing. Essentially, we've fooled the house into thinking it's one big room so that air can circulate more freely. You'll see advanced construction techniques like this throughout the home that help to create a more energy efficient home. Special framing techniques that help to reduce air leaks and drafts, enhanced insulation techniques to get improved thermal systems, and special attention to the home's internal moisture management. The master bath is an oasis of moisture management and water efficiency. Notice that the mirror has been brought out at least 1/8 of an inch, allowing air to circulate for improved moisture management. These are low-flow faucets, a high-efficiency toilet, and this is a low-flow shower head, which uses 36% less water than a standard shower head. And still, it's a warm, luxurious, totally enveloping shower experience. You'll see engineered plumbing solutions throughout the home too, like circulating pumps. When you enter the bathroom, or when you hit a button, the circulating pump turns on and pushes cold water out of the system and pumps in hot water. You turn on the water, and for this house, it's hot in about 5 seconds. Hot water when you need it, with less waste. Imagine you could see just the plumbing system of a typical house. You know that it would look like a spaghetti maze of piping. Well, here's another engineered plumbing solution that's featured in the Environments for Living certified green home. And it's one that means energy savings for homeowners and time and money savings for builders. Centrally locate the water heater, then run piping to where the water is needed. Straight lines mean less pipe. Efficiency goes up, hot water is delivered more quickly, usage goes down. Science. Again, it's important to remember that this whole house operates as a system, so we can't really talk about heating and cooling without first talking about framing. Framing and sheathing requirements work together as a system to create a tight building envelope and ultimately an energy efficient home. The Environments for Living certified green program includes optimum value framing, which has spacing at 24 inches on center instead of the traditional 16 inches on center, which reduces the amount of lumber needed for framing and allows for more insulation. You can see that paying special attention to the gaps during the installation of insulation helps to create a tight thermal envelope. Within a tightly constructed, energy-efficient home, bigger equipment is not necessarily better. Oversized HVAC equipment operates less efficiently, causes humidity problems in addition to being more costly. This is one of the most efficient furnaces on the market, and as you can see, it's relatively compact. Right-sizing a home's heating and cooling system is important. This is the bonus room, which sits directly above the garage, and it's a space that many homeowners spend a lot of money heating and cooling. The Environments for Living Certified Green program requires a continuous air barrier enclosing a conditioned space, which means that air barrier continuity must be maintained throughout the entire structure. With standards and solutions like these, the Environments for Living Certified Green program makes another guarantee: that the temperature at the location of the thermostat will not vary more than plus or minus 3 degrees from the temperature in the center of any conditioned room within that thermostat zone. Science. This was a quick look at how the Environments for Living Certified Green program operates as a system, meaning real, guaranteed benefits for homeowners. A system that provides at least 20% savings in household energy, 20% savings in indoor water consumption, and a 20% reduction in CO2 emissions compared to conventionally code-built homes. A flexible, affordable, and comprehensive program that allows builders to build the homes their customers want. I hope you've enjoyed our brief tour of an Environments for Living certified green home.